A fairly volatile day of trade, but we did manage to recover lost ground to end above the 6100 level at 6104. For the Sensex, 20,147 saw a shade lower by close to 14 points. In terms of what really bolstered the gains, it was pharmaceutical as well as key banking stocks. You had the mid and the small cap indices too, which were rather lackluster. They underperformed the frontliners and exceedingly flat. In terms of movers of sectoral indices, you had metals as well as real estate. So the high beta pocket really was weak in the session. And on the other hand, it was healthcare as well as consumer durables which held up. Big losers in the form of Jaiprakash Associates. In fact, that one was down by close to 4%. Ranbaxy as well as Grasim and Tata Steel were some of the other weak links. You had results in the form of HDIL putting out its numbers, a loss of 280 crores vis-a-vis profits of 315 crore rupees. The top line growth was lower by 77% at 140 crores versus 622, and the reason was there was a one-time loss this time of 442 crores. But what was the bigger news for an HDIL was the fact that the Mumbai airport terminated its rehabilitation project, to which HDIL said that they have not accepted the Mumbai airport termination notice, but that in all has been a big negative for the stock price. TVZ put out its numbers, a great set at that. The profits shot up a good 231% to 25 crores. The total income was clocked in at 447 crore rupees. That's higher by almost 67%. Sun Pharma was clearly the star of the day. It gained from strength to strength to touch its 52-week high on the back of a very strong set of numbers as well as a robust sale guidance. In fact, it really single-handedly supported the index in today's trade. You also had a lot of brokerages which upped the target price on this one. AstraZeneca Pharma, the OFS was subscribed 4.87 times, the indicative price being 567.2. The floor price of the issue, remember, was 490, and that counter went home with a solid gain. Lots of OFS candidates. JP Infratech, well, down almost 10%. The OFS was fully subscribed, but remember, Jaiprakash Associates had set the OFS floor price at 35 rupees apiece. Sun TV, well, the OFS was fully subscribed. The floor price was set at 403. Remember, the promoters were selling a 2% stake in the company, 78.8 lakh shares via the offer for sale in order to comply with the SEBI norms. Some result reactions from yesterday. Godrej Industries, a stellar set. Profits came in higher by 119%, and that went down very well with the street. Chennai Petro, on the other hand, pretty disappointing. A loss this time around of 392 crores vis-a-vis profits of 107 crore rupees, and the street was clearly not too pleased. Real estate and infrastructure as a pocket really was under quite a bit of pressure today. DLF, HDIL for obvious reasons, something like a Unitech, GMR Infra, IVRCL, all of these counters saw deep cuts in the session. On the gaining side, though, it was Sun Pharma plus Hero Moto as well as Tata Motors which did well ahead of its numbers. Coal India was another counter that gained quite a bit of trajectory.